Every SAP AI procurement project I have seen fail, and I have seen several fail at the same point. Not the model, not the deployment, the data. SAP MM consultants are sitting on the most valuable AI training data in the organization. EKPO, EKKO, EKBE. Most do not realize that these tables they work with every day are the exact inputs that power supplier recommendation engines and price anomaly detection model. This video explains how. 5 sections. What Datasphere is, why harmonization is the foundation before AI, the 6 procurement tables you already know, and why they matter for AI, how Datasphere connects to AI Core for training and real-time scoring, and data quality, the silent killer of AI projects. SAP Datasphere is the enterprise data management platform, the governed unified layer that connects, harmonizes, and models data from SAP and non-SAP systems to make it ready for analytics and AI. Think of it as the data preparation layer that sits between your S/4HANA procurement tables and your AI model. It does 4 things: data integration, connecting multiple S/4HANA systems into one view, data modeling, building structured data products from your procurement tables, data governance, lineage quality rules and access control, and AI readiness, structuring data for direct consumption by AI core. Here is the problem that kills AI projects before they start. In a multi-region S/4HANA landscape, which describes every global enterprise I have worked with, the same supplier exists as 3 different vendor codes across 3 company codes. The same material is measured in kilograms in one region and tons in another. Material groups do not align across company codes. And AI model trained on this data does not fail loudly. It fails quietly, producing confident wrong recommendations. A supplier with excellent European delivery performance looks like a different supplier to the model than the same supplier with poor Asian delivery performance because they have different vendor codes. A data sphere solves this. One golden vendor record, normalize currency, harmonize material groups, consistent delivery dates in UTC, clean data in, accurate data out. Now let us look at exactly which tables feed the AI. 6 tables. You already know them. You know all of them. EKKO, the purchasing document header. Every PO you have ever raised has a record here. Vendor purchase organization, document type, date. For AI, this gives us vendor frequency patterns, category spent by organization, and temporal buying pattern. EKPO, the purchasing document item, material, quantity, and ordered price at the line level. This is the primary input for price benchmarking. 24 months of EKPO data tells the AI what any material should cost from any vendor. EKBE, the purchase order history. This is the most important table for supplier scoring. Every goods receipt, every invoice receipt, every return against a PO creates a record in EKB. From this table, we calculate on-time delivery rate, invoice matching, performance, and three-way match analysis. EKET, scheduling line, schedule lengths, planned delivery dates, and quantities. The AI compares EKET planned dates against EKBE actual GR dates to calculate whether each vendor delivered on time. LFA1, vendor master, vendor classification, region, payment terms, status. The AI uses this to categorize vendors, apply regional performance grouping, and most importantly, filter out blocked or inactive vendors from the training dataset. And EORD, the purchasing source list, the approved vendor pool for each material. The AI only recommends vendors from this list. It is the governed layer that ensures the model stays within approved sourcing boundaries. Here is how Datasphere connects to AI Core in practice. Two modes. Batch training mode. A Datasphere exports a structured data set snapshot to AI Core for quarterly model retraining. This is the scheduled run that keeps the model current with the latest 24 months of procurement data. Real-time query. When a PR is created, AI Core queries Datasphere for current vendor price and price data. The model scores using live data, not stale training data alone. This is what makes the recommendation relevant for today's supplier performance, not last quarters. Data quality is where I spend the first 2 weeks of every AI procurement program, not in model design, in data audit. Six issues that consistently appear: duplicate vendor records, missing vendor delivery dates in EKET, inactive vendors in LFA1, currency inconsistency across regions, material group mismatch, and unit of measure differences. None of these cause visible errors. They produce confident wrong answers. And a confident wrong recommendation is more damaging than no recommendation at all, because buyers start trusting the model and stop questioning it. Always audit before you architect. 2 weeks on EKKO, EKPO, EKBE, and LFA1 will tell you more about AI readiness than any architecture workshop. 5 things to take away. DataSphere is not optional for multi-region SAP AI. Harmonization is the prerequisite, not nice to have. The six tables EKKO, EKPO, EKET, LFA1, EORD power all procurement AI use cases. Data products are governed, reusable views that AI core consumes. Data quality issues produce confident wrong answers, which is worse than no AI at all. And always audit before you architect. If you found this useful, subscribe and drop a comment before telling me which SAP AI topic you want covered next. See you in the next video.